what the Repair Cafe is trying to do is just fix things that people might not be able to fix themselves, but we've got extra tools and the people here know stuff so that they can fix stuff. So so they bring things in and we have a quick look at it, and then we decide if we can fix it or not, and then we'll have a go. Sometimes we might need to buy parts, sometimes we can just fix it there and then. So we'll just have a quick walk around and we'll just say hello to a few bits. So we'll start off in this room here. This is Alex. And Alex does lots of different things. He does a bit of woodwork, he's fixed furniture for us, lampshades, but today he's sharpening garden tools. And he's very good at that. He's had a go at my mower blade this morning. He's doing some garden shears at the moment. So these are things that absolutely will still work, but they just get a bit worn out with time, so he can just do a little bit of sharpening, a little bit of oil, and then they can go back out, and it just saves people buying new stuff all the time. So over here we've got a coffee machine. So this coffee machine was brought in last month and it's leaking from underneath. It's just leaking water. So he's just taking that apart and just trying to get that fixed to stop it leaking. Sly here is working on a TV and DVD player, which we were hoping just needed a bit of a clean.
But you're taking it down, aren't you?
Taking it apart and trying to fix that, because the TV still works, but it's just the DVD player that doesn't.
We've just put the DVD back in after cleaning the lens.
Okay.
So I'm going to give it a whiz in a minute.
And we'll see if that works. So that's exciting.
Yeah.
In the corner here, we've got Dave working on a bread maker.
Hey.
And all we know about that is that it was working and then it went clunk and then it stopped working. It needs new bearings. So just that tiny piece and we can get that working again.
Okay. And then
here we've got a chair, which I think again is just a really simple fix, but some people might just throw it away. So we're just going to fix that.
It's quite weird how people sometimes aren't bothered to come to places like this and repair their broken stuff.
Absolutely, because it's just too easy to throw it in the bin and buy a new one.
And then, so is this all the stuff that you managed to?
Yeah, so this top of the list here is stuff that was held over from last month. So we put that on the list first, and then all this stuff down here is stuff that's been brought in today. So, and then we tick them off as we fix them. So we haven't fixed that much yet today because it's still early. But we fixed a jacket that came in from last month. We fixed a boiler. That's just on the floor down there, so that's going to go back out. The mower blade was too hard, so we couldn't sharpen that. Then we fixed a hoe. We put a new handle on the hoe. And we fixed a leaf collector, and then there's other stuff going on. And in the corner here, most importantly, because Pam likes to hear that, most importantly, Pam is our seamstress for today. So today she's fixed a jacket, I think, or no, last month she fixed a jacket. We're fixing some coat hangers. She's got a duvet cover to fix, and a real sentimental lampshade has come in today as well,
that
which is
actually
quite
looks
exciting.
really nice. If once it's been fixed, it'll be really nice, won't it?
So it just needs some, but I think that'll be quite a tough job, that. And I'll just show you one more thing that just came in, because this is really exciting. This is from the 1960s, and a lady's brought it in, and she fixed this. She made it with her dad, and she wants us to see if we can get that motor running again.
So the motor isn't working?
The motor's not working at the moment. We don't know why. It might just need a clean, and then we'll sort of fix up a battery of some sort, and we'll see if we can get that back in the water.
Good,
It's good.
So you can see how the hub does a lot of work on repairing food stuff. This is a whole section dedicated to repairs, isn't it?
It is. So this is the golf bag. So it had a hole in the bottom.
I remember when I first came in, I saw that Pam was fixing that hole down, wasn't she?
So that's all done.
That's actually really nice how you managed to fix a lot of stuff here, and hopefully that that whiteboard might soon be clean.
We'll have lots of ticks on it, and we'll all be done.
Yeah.
I would just say as well, sometimes people bring things in because they need it fixing. Sometimes they'll bring things in that need fixing, and then they donate them to the hub, and we sell them to help with our running costs.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah.
And we have cake.
Oh, yes. So, thank you so much for showing this repair section. Good luck with the rest of the repairs that you have. Let's hope the next time I see you, maybe all those ticks. There'll be so many ticks. Yes. Thank you so much, Chris.
Thank you for coming down. Nice to see you.
Bye. So we already just spoke with Kate about refill and recycle, we just spoke with Chris here about repairing. Now, repairing is actually really important to go sustainable. It reduces the carbon footprint of a product, and it also reduces the waste created by a product. So now we've done. We haven't done reduce, reuse, but we've done recycle, repair, and refill. We need to do reduce and reuse. Now, this is the section where we can talk about that. This is where they sell stuff. So as Chris said, that they some people decide to donate stuff like clothes. Here, there's a lot of clothes actually here, and so you can sell these. This is mostly stuff that you'd find in a charity shop, a normal charity shop, but it's just at a really low cost, which is good because the hub, Kate told me, they're not looking for too much money. Of course, they want to keep this building up and running, but not too much. They just want to put something back to the community. And that sounds really nice. And it would be good, all of this stuff, because then instead of a person buying a new one, this perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. But some people just maybe want to throw it away because they don't need it. Give it to somebody else who could actually use it. I have a pair of football boots from school that I used last term. I don't need them anymore. And plus, they're too small for my feet now. I'm going to give them to one of my friend's young brothers who can actually wear it. So that's better than them buying a new one. It's cheaper, and it's also good for the planet. So that's a wrap up of the hub. It's a place where they follow the 5 R's, and they do a good job at it, and they're also really sustainable. Thank you so much to Kate and Chris and everybody here at the hub who are working hard to be more sustainable and make our community more sustainable as well. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.